We're on the Boardwalk in Wildwood, New Jersey. After a day of sun and fun, there's nothing better than a slice of pizza. But who has the best? Some say Sam's, and some say Macks. Tonight we're going to try both and find out who's got the best slice on the Boardwalk. We headed to the original location of Mack's Pizza on the Boardwalk near Wildwood Avenue, where they've been serving their famous pizza to hungry beachgoers since 1953. Mack's Pizza has a glistening appearance. It's not oily. The shine comes from their secret combination of cheeses. Some say it's a combination of mozzarella and white cheddar, but only Mack's knows, and nobody's talking. Out front, you'll find Mack's busy carry-out window. And inside, there's counter seating for singles and couples in a hurry. We took a booth near the back. All right, so we're at Mack's Pizza. We're ordering an original slice. Best way to compare, and the best way to have this is with a Pennsylvania Dutch birch beer. Classic Boardwalk pizza, thin, a nice even amount of cheese and sauce, a little bit of oily looking, but not too oily, just for the flavor. Underside is done just right, and it holds up pretty well. Let's take a bite and find out. Whoa. That's good. I can see why a lot of people think this is Macks Pizza. Really good. Good balance of flavors.
Let's give it a try. So good. The sauce is not too sweet, but it's a little sweet. Perfect amount of sauce ratio on the pizza. And the cheese, I don't know if you can see it, but the cheese is just glistening on top with all that delicious greasy flavor. It's honestly really good. Like, I can't wait for a second bite. It is delicious pizza. This would even be good cold, too. This is delicious pizza.
Our journey continued with a walk past Mack's busy pizza kitchen. Their special revolving pizza ovens can cook 20 pizzas at a time. Back on the Boardwalk, it's just 6 blocks to Sam's Pizza Palace. The friendly rivalry between Mack's and Sam's is well known, and even shows up at the Winter Woods Christmas store on the Boardwalk. Their custom-made Mack's and Sam's Christmas ornaments are very popular with locals and vacationers alike. They sell equal amounts of the pizza slice-shaped ornaments, and both are usually sold out by mid-July. Just 4 years younger than Mack's, Sam's is a summertime favorite, and some say tradition for vacationing families from all over the country. It's early evening, and already there's a long line for a table.
Yeah, there's people just sitting there waiting.
We head for the carry-out window.
2 slices of cheese pizza, please. They don't have birch beer. And 2 small Cokes, please. We're at Sam's Pizza Palace, which has been here on the Boardwalk since 1957, and I'm trying their plain cheese pizza, which it's very heavy on the cheese. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like very heavy cheesy pizza, that could possibly get stuck in your throat as you're trying to swallow. And there's not much flavor to the cheese, to be honest. And the sauce doesn't have much flavor to it either. It's like very tomatoey, but without having like oregano or some sugar, anything like that to it. But the crust seems to be pretty nice. It's not too thin. It's a crust that I would eat instead of just passing it and leaving it on my plate. So that's a good thing.
So there's a huge line for a table at Sam's Pizza, so I'm expecting this to be pretty good. We got slice for carryout. It's pretty good body to it. A little limp. Probably could be finished a little bit more underneath. And it looks a little cheesy, but let's try it out and see. It has a nice flavor to it. It's a cheesier pizza. Doesn't really have a 50-50 balance between sauce and cheese. It's probably 75% cheese, 25% sauce. And the crust is a little bit doughy. I could use it to be a little bit more crisp. It's a nice tasting crust. They just need to finish it a little bit more, I think. All in all, it's a pretty good pizza. So, yeah, it's a good pizza. It's nothing all that unique about it. It's just a decent piece of pizza. I'm not positive why there's a huge line for it when there are some other pizza stores in the area where there isn't a line. I guess some of that's just nostalgia and people's history of having gone there. It's a solid pizza, but it's nothing special or remarkable, quite honestly. It's a good pizza. There's nothing wrong with it. But it just quite honestly doesn't hold up to Mack's. Mack's Pizza is the clear winner. It really is not much of a contest. It's not very close. Good pizza, but Mack's Pizza is the best on the Boardwalk. Thanks for joining us. If you have a Boardwalk favorite, let us know in the comment section below. And the next time you're riding the Wildwood tram car, remember to hit that stop buzzer. And stop into Mack's Pizza for the best slice on the Boardwalk.